In this video, I'll show you how to use ePartner to download operator and service manuals and how to view technical service bulletins. Let's first look at how to download the operator manual, service manual, and parts list for a machine. To get the manuals that are an exact match for the model and version of your machine, it's best to use the serial number search. From the ePartner landing page, click the dashboard link in the top menu. Scroll down to the serial number search panel and enter the serial number of the machine you're looking for. Then click View to display the machine detail page. Along the right-hand side of the machine detail page, you'll see the manuals that are available. Click Show All Documents to expand and be able to view the operators, parts, and service manuals. Click on a link to download that manual. Some manuals are large files, so they may take a while to download. After it is downloaded, you can view it or save it to your computer. You can click the arrow to expand the drop-down to see if manuals are available in other languages. Some users may find the manuals in Spanish or French helpful. Here's a brief review of the steps needed. 1. Click the dashboard menu. 2. Scroll down to the serial number search panel and enter the serial number. 3. ePartner will show the available manuals on the machine detail page. The second way to view a manual, especially if you don't have the machine serial number, is to search by product name. To search by product, click the product's link in the top menu. Click a product category. In this example, I'll click rollers. In a list that appears, click the More Details button for the model you need. I'll choose the RC50. In the submenu shown, click the Documents menu to view and download manuals. Sometimes the name of the file will have clues for the language, such as EN for English or DE for German. Now let's briefly review searching for manuals by product name. 1. We click the Products menu. 2. We click a product category. 3. For a specific model, click the More Details button. 4. In the submenu, click the Documents menu item to view a list of available manuals. Another valuable resource you can get in ePartner is the technical service bulletins for a machine. Service bulletins are published by Wacker Neuson to communicate technical updates for a machine, recommended modifications to improve performance, safety alerts, guidance on diagnosing and resolving specific issues or malfunctions, or warranty updates related to warranty coverage or procedures. To view technical bulletins, click the Support menu link in the top menu. One of the tiles on the support page is Technical Bulletins. Click that tile to see a list of product categories. In this example, I'll click Mobile Generators. The PDF that appears is a list of all service bulletins for that particular machine for the past 2 years. If I scroll to the first bulletin, I see it is from August 2024. It is an update describing a change to engine belts and giving directions on exactly what parts would need to be ordered and warranty-related information. You can use the menu icons at the top to download or print the file. Scrolling down the document, you will see instructions on how to complete the change needed to the belts. Instructions include both text and photos showing how to make the recommended change. This product campaign is another example of a bulletin. This is a chart showing the tightening specs for bolts. The bulletin provides updated information that wasn't in the original service manual. One other place in ePartner that you will see a notification about a service bulletin is on the product detail page. If you do a serial number search on a product for any reason, for example, to download a manual or to look up a part number, you should pay attention to the yellow triangle icon that may appear. If there is an open service bulletin for the machine you are viewing, the triangle will be shown along with the numbers of the open service bulletins. The date of the bulletin is part of the name. Those aren't links, but you can write down the bulletin numbers and then go to the support menu to retrieve the bulletin indicated. In this example, we're viewing an ST50, which is a track loader. If I go to the support menu and download the last 2 years of bulletins, I can scroll to find a 924 bulletin. The PDF is also searchable, so if you press Ctrl F, you can enter 924 into the search box to navigate to that bulletin. Completing service as indicated in a bulletin may be required if you ever file a warranty claim on that machine. Users can sign up to get on Wacker Neuson's email distribution list. There is a tile on the ePartner landing page. Use the Click Here link to be emailed when service bulletins are released. You can choose the products or types of emails you want to receive. This will keep you informed and allow you to act promptly on the recommended service for the machine. Here's the review of the steps you'll take to view technical service bulletins. 1. Click the support menu. 2. Click the technical bulletins tile. 3. Select a product from a list. 4. A PDF with 2 years of service bulletins for that product will be displayed. That wraps up this ePartner video on manuals and technical bulletins. You may want to search the university for other videos on ePartner, such as downloading software, ordering parts, filing warranty, and using and activating EquipCare.